How do you find the index of a radical expression? Imagine you're solving a puzzle where each piece is a number and a symbol. One of those symbols is the radical sign, which looks like a check mark with a line. The small number sitting just above and to the left of that sign is called the index. It's like a secret code telling you which root you are dealing with. Let's look at some examples to see how it works. When you see a radical with no small number, like the square root of 9, the index is understood to be 2. That's because the square root is the same as asking, what number multiplied by itself gives 9? In this case, the answer is 3. Now, if you see a small 3 above the radical, like in the cube root of 27, that 3 is the index. It means you're asking, what number multiplied by itself 3 times gives 27? The answer here is 3 again, because 3 times 3 times 3 equals 27. Another example is the fourth root of 16, written as a small for above the radical. That for is the index, and it asks, what number multiplied by itself 4 times gives 16? The answer is 2, because 2 times 2 times 2 times 2 equals 16. To find the index, simply look for that tiny number near the upper left of the radical sign. If you don't see one, remember, it's a 2, which means you're working with a square root. If you do see a number, that's your index. It tells you how many times to multiply the root number by itself to get the radicand, which is the number inside the radical. Knowing how to spot and understand the index helps you work with roots more easily. It's like having a map that guides you through solving radical expressions. Whether you're finding roots or simplifying expressions, recognizing the index is a key step in mastering radicals in algebra. So next time you see a radical, take a quick look at the upper left corner. That small number is your clue to understanding what kind of root you're working with. And remember, if no number is there, it's always a square root or an index of 2. With this knowledge, tackling radicals becomes much simpler and more straightforward.